Well, pleasantly surprised to be here at Mafkoora, the place that translates to having a discourse. I think it is a breath of fresh air because all the stories that emanate from Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, they are not as pleasant to revel in. But when you visit here, it's like an oasis, and the stories that come from here, they really do a great deal of offsetting or resisting to the Western or outside gaze that has been established and registered about Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, because I think this place is fraught with, is peppered with culture, it's peppered with history and civilization. But recent unfortunate events that we can't date to a century, even it's less than a century that this place got embroiled in some battles that they did not ask for. But despite it, this place, I think it serves as a sanctuary to artists, to poets, to so many people who want to express themselves and just live. So I love my experience here. I hope this grows. I hope this thrives, and I hope it sustains. Thank you so very much.